The power of if statements comes into play when you have a particular expression you need to evaluate. And I've said this word quite a few times, expression. What's an expression? Well, an expression is a value and a type. This is an expression. This has a value of whatever readline returns and the type of string. This is an expression. It has the value of false and the type of Boolean. This is an expression. It has the value of your name is concatenated with name and the type of string. We can place any expression inside of an if statement that evaluates into a Boolean. Now, that means that I cannot use name. This is an expression. By saying the word name or the identifier name, I am creating an expression. However, the type of this expression is a string, which is not a Boolean, which means this code won't compile. This distinction to people who are just learning programming may seem fairly straightforward, but for people who may be used to more dynamic languages or languages like C, may be kind of annoyed by this, because with those languages, you can pretty much convert anything into a Boolean. C# you cannot. This is another common mistake that I see with people coming from other languages.